Hello everyone, my name is Trần Minh Quyết. Today I will compare two engines, the inline four hard side cylinders, inner strain lines, simple design, low cost but more vibrations. The horizontally opposed placed cylinders flash and opposite smoother and billions but more complex and expensive. Inline force is common in everyday cars, while Subaru and Porsche use the horizontally opposed for performance. In short, one is practical, the other is smooth. Thank you for listening.